Hey guys, Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with a Scarab 255 ID. This is a 2019 model with some really cool features that are new for this year. I'll start at the bow of the boat. This boat does have a reboarding ladder at the bow, so if you want to beach the boat or you're hanging out at a sand island or something like that, you can get back on and off the boat. You've got storage under all these here. There's an insulated cooler right there or anchor locker. Storage under here. There's an additional ski locker actually forward that's got two little igloo coolers in it, perfect little lunchbox style coolers. As we make our way back, there's another pull-out cooler right here under the helm. Slides out, got plenty of coolers and things on board. When we make our way back, another great feature for a 25-foot boat is the head compartment over here. You'll see it's got all the extra cushions and things in it right now, but there is a pump-out head in there. This boat does have a freshwater holding tank. You've got your bow table, things like that, table that can actually be put in the front or the middle of the boat. Premium kicker audio. You'll see tower speakers on the wakeboard tower. You've got subwoofers, plenty of audio. And then we move to the helm. You've got a flip-up bolstered seat so you can see when you're pulling a tube, wakeboard, something like that when the boat's pitched up. This boat does have full digital throttle control of the Rotax motors and actually has twin 300 horsepower Rotaxes. Brand new for this year. Boat's a total rocket ship. Close to 60+ mile-an-hour speeds. A lot of fun for the family. Get out on the lake and just cruise and have a great time. Everything's very accessible here. We've got the courtesy lighting package, so you got blue LEDs and stuff for at night. Nice little spot to put your phone up there. Things that some people don't think about. Large ski locker built in here in the floor. This is where you'd actually put wakeboard tubes, extra life jackets, things like that. It's pretty large. Sorry, I know you guys can't see it there. As we work our way back, another really unique feature to the 255 is these seats that fold away. Large storage down there. They fold away so you have a rear-facing access right here for people that want to watch your water sports, which you're going to pull from the tower here. And then also these two seats flip back and forth so you can either sit facing forward or backwards at the back of the boat, which also has some extra storage back there for ropes, flip-flops, wet things, life jackets, stuff like that. The boat really is just really well thought out. Perfect boat for water sports, family, having fun, lake boating, things like that. Thank you for taking a look at our 2019 Scarab 255 ID here at MarineMax Houston. My name's Steven Smith. Come see us today.